Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be pranking Lucy and Holly that I am leaving Movie Star Planet. I have already been pranking Lucy like quite a lot, but I haven't been pranking both of them. So hopefully they will fail for it. So I want to say I'm playing MSP. I feel out. I fall down. Yeah, me and Holly are not really friends, but we do talk, but we're not BFFs anymore. But yeah. They keep on bullying me. I'm saying bye. Okay, they're like just so confused. Hopefully they will fall for it, because I do not want to record for nothing. I did not just say that, but whatever. But yeah, I just hopefully they will fail for it. But yeah. So we're just waiting for them for their like reaction. Well, everybody's gonna die anyway. Yeah, but yeah, but I will die. Wait, no. But yeah, but I'm playing Star Planet forever. I'm giving my account away. I'm giving my account away. But I think I should like quitting to Lily. I don't know. Maybe or don't tell me that they want my account. Like, if they want my account, they are such fake friends and they just aren't using me. Well, that's what I think. OMG, look at this name of it. Famous note date. Don't quit. She actually cares. Wait, I'll be back whenever, like, I'm gonna pause it so I can tell her. Okay, I'm back, and this is what they said. So, Holly said no thanks. Then Lucy done a dot, and then she was like, I'm good, and then she was like, damn. Okay, so, Lucy, do you want my account? I think they actually are believing it. Verb, I'm not going into. Fine. Have my account. I can't believe this. She actually said that she wants my account. I honestly don't like those kind of friends that say that, like, can I have your account? Can I have your account? And like, yeah, she doesn't want it. I said no. You said sure though. You'll take care of it better than me. She changed her mind. This is more getting in a fight than, like, you know, than pranking them. Okay, but Holly doesn't know that this is going on YouTube. Yeah, but I can't believe she just said that. Well, yeah, at least she changed her mind, so that is okay. I was in shock when I saw, yeah, sure. I was seriously in shock, and then she was like, oh no. But I can't believe that Holly said she bloody changed her mind. Like, that is not the language that you should use. Tomorrow you will come online and say you never said you wanted to do it. Nope. I'm deleting off in 20 minutes. I'm doing. But this is not nice. Like, I'm crossing my fingers. So yeah, I'm just lying to them so it makes like things like whatever. I am not really deleting. Like, come on, just fall for it already and just say, is this a prank or something? Just please, I beg you. Would you care if I think he already knows that this is a prank. Well, I'm not sure, but Holly, like, should I like say that it's a prank right now, or should I just carry on and then after, like in some 5 minutes, I should tell them? I'm not sure. Lucy and Holly, can you message me? I think, oh sorry, my dog's barking. Oh, Joseph, can you please stop? Okay, well, but yeah, I think I'm gonna tell them, Lucy, talk in the chat now. Oops. 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 Yeah, yes. Lucy, listen. I bet Holly will be in shock whenever I'm gonna be like, this is a prank for YouTube and this is going on YouTube and basically like that. This is a prank for YouTube. This is prank for YouTube. And this is going on YouTube XD. And they saw you said like I think she's totally in shock. No, please. Sorry, mate. Now she's sad that I was like, did you? Oh my god. This is actually a really good prank. I think that Lucy did not really care, but whatever. Holly's really sad. He was also pranking. We was also pranking. Was it me? Lucy, of course, I'll be your friend. Of course we can. Huh? Lucy, of course I'll be your friend, and of course we can. Mama, I know. No, but this was a prank. Say hi to YouTube. Please guys, do not hate on them. It is not their fault. Especially Holly. Don't worry. Friends. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and also sorry that I haven't been recording for a while. But yeah, please do not hate on Holly or Lucy. Please do not hate on Lucy and Holly, especially Holly, even though she said bloody and everything. Just, she did not mean it, and just don't make her sad. And please, please do not report her, because I don't know, I'm just gonna die if you do. But yeah, please don't report her. Thank you for watching. Oh. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and subscribe to my YouTube if you are new. And yeah, just go and add me. So okay, so these are our accounts from like 3 of us. My back is no. All of us are on the UK. Lucy ack is wait, what was my X Lucy X, wait, is this how you spell it? Yeah. And then Holly's account is okay, so my account, Lucy's account, and Holly's account. To add us all, thank you for watching. Bye, and see you in the next video. See you. Mwah! Okay, wait. So they said something, and then what did I? Oof, Lucy said, "Oof, what did I miss? Post it on YouTube and I'll die." I'm posting. See you in the. Before, like, we still have time because we can record for 50 minutes. So let's just see. Sorry, but I said to not hate on you. Shout out to them both. And please report me. I'm joking. Please do not report me. Okay, bye. See you in the next video. Okay, bye. If you want more pranks that I should do, comment or MSG me on MSP. See you in the next video and wait for more pranks. Hee hee hee.